I'm back, and I'm going to put a few more dribbles on this canvas, and if it works out, I will share it with you, and if it doesn't, then I won't, but I think it will. And so instead of dribbles, and I see I have some dots, I'm going to dip in and help finish off some of the edges, and then I'm going to take, I believe I'm going to take, yes, am I? Oh boy. I'm going to take the orange and maybe my orchid also. And just finish off in some of the areas. Maybe a little yellow over here. Because that yellow got a little muddier than I wanted it to be. And I have favorite colors, so why not use them, you know? Especially on a dry canvas, the Modern Masters blue will work very well. I was thinking turquoise would be excellent with that, but I also think it would be excellent with this. I could probably use another light on. I turned one off so I would have natural light to take my photograph. But I'm really, really happy with this right at the moment. I'm having a really good time. That worked well. Skinny little tip on my bottle worked very well. Alright, I put my skewer down and I don't want any other color in there right now. I'm going to drag that out. Really happy with this. I have some light blue that I did not use and I want some right here. Yes, that's what I want. And I do want to get rid of the bulb on the end by just pushing it forward and pulling it back a little. That was a bubble and it's gone now. I got a drip and I'm going to have to, if I want it to be integrated, I'm going to have to tap on it with my skewer. Or grab a little color out of my dish. I think I'm going for the orange again. I might want to do it right in here actually. Yes, and here again. It looks like I have a little bit there. It came right off. A little bit of orchid where I might not want it, but I think I'm going to put a little more orchid there anyway. Didn't realize there was paint on there. I don't mind the bigger size. I can match it right over here just by running my skewer through it. Pretty well. I definitely think one more time here. Liking that. Lots and lots. I didn't use that turquoise and I was definitely talking about it. And I wanted to put some right here. Will you come out? You're not playing with me. Oh, right on my thumbnail. Fine, be that way. I could put a little green in there. These are just finishing touches. I was thinking about the white. The white metallic would be good somewhere, but I'm not sure where. I don't want any of those blobs. I want a nice sharp little point in there. I do have that one dot. And I kind of like it actually, and that means I could put a few more in if I wanted to. I'm really thinking about integrating both this area that was interesting. So I'm going to get a heavier line. I better be very careful and not be in a hurry at all. Yes, I like that idea. Right in between those two. And then I will just drag out my ends to fit. I was thinking about putting something else in there. I could do that a bunch of places, but pretty quick I'm going to lose my negative space. And I kind of like it. I haven't used any black, but I don't really need any black at all. I haven't torched, but I've got some cells. That maybe has to be fixed, in my opinion. What have I got in here? Maybe a little turquoise right there. I'm going to leave that little gold heart. It's too cute to make it go away. But I do want to add some more orchid right there. And let it become integrated. And yeah, I had a little orchid on there, and I guess it's okay that it's mixed. It's not the end of the world, that's for sure. I'm definitely still working on this white. Which I like. And maybe some more over here too in a second. No, that's all right. Kind of figure I got a good shot at eradicating that drip. I'm not going to mind the color in there or there. I've got to decide what goes over here. And I'm thinking one or two blues. Maybe that cobalt blue is perfect there. Let's do some. I was going to do some there, but so that's good. And do I want to put white over here or some yellow? I kind of want some yellow. That worked pretty well. I like that. Really need to wipe off my stick better. So maybe yellow over here too. I am getting busy with the yellow, huh? But I like the eye moving around. And it's not getting to be too much, although somebody probably thinks it is. It's working for me. It was worth putting those 3 layers of gold on. I really wasn't going to fill that in, but I'm not unhappy with it. So I got to figure out that spot over there, and I'm being called to orange. And I really do like the orange with the, I was going to say with the blue. Whoops. Caught my bottle on the edge of the tile and got a really thick line right there. Plus I've still got color on my stick, my skewer. So that's not hurting my feelings at all. I'm not seeing too much of anything that I need. Definitely thinking about a little bit of orchid right there. I'm still going, and I probably should have stopped. It probably would have been cool a while back, but I'm really not complaining either. It will be what it'll be. I'm gonna wipe off my skewer this time. Just ever so gently rest it in. This with the turquoise. Maybe this with something else. Maybe this with some more. Do I have any colors that I like left? I'm going to have to put that paint down on my low-leafy silicone mat and see what I get for skins. Yep, I think that was it. That was perfect. That was the final touch. Okay, so that is pretty much, for all intents and purposes, barring whatever I do behind your back when I'm turned the camera off. That is pretty well done. Although I do see a little canvas showing through that gold right there. And a little bit, need something on the edge right there. And I thought the lines would need to be pure, but they don't. And now I'm going to call that good, and I'm going to try and torch it. Am I happy? Do I want a piece? Do I want yellow in there? Wait. Can't have the torch in one hand and be trying to do something with the other hand. That was not what I had in mind, but I think I can make it work out anyway. I think it could be rougher and still work. Okay, so I love you guys. There's over 90,000 of you. I forgot to tell you all kinds of stuff in the last video, which is I have a community board, and you can find tomorrow's video there. I have 2 books called Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. Volumes 1 and 2 are on the Amazon link, and if you shop there, you help me out, and I really appreciate it. The Amazon link is on the link tree, along with my Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my website, and a bunch of other stuff I can't remember right now. But Pixels.com and Fine Art America are there. Pixels.com and Fine Art America are also accessible through my Facebook group page, Shop Now on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes, and more. And Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors has albums, and you can see some of the YouTube artworks have been edited and left there. And sometimes there's prices that are not correct that I need to fix really soon. Please like, please share, please watch longer, and please watch when notifications come out. It will help me out immensely. And I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. Don't forget that there's a monthly drawing, and you can enter by being a contributor to help keep the studio rolling. And I really, really, really appreciate that very much. Everybody who has done that in the past, thank you so much for doing so. Thank you again for all your wonderful compliments and your comments. They matter. If you have questions, feel free to ask. Look for my paint pouring recipe underneath the video. Yeah, I'm still finding places I want to play with. Not too much though. Oh, that's nice. Paint just wipes right off of that gold right now. Okay, so I love you. I think I said that. And I don't see anything I forgot. Other than Teespring clothing is underneath the video. And there's all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts and tapestries and all kinds of cool stuff. And should you ever desire a lesson, use the email address below the link tree. And should you ever desire to make a purchase, please make sure to include the hashtag that you found in the video title, and I will get back to you and give you prices and everything else you could possibly want via email, and maybe we'll talk about it. I'll give you a phone number. So I'm going to turn this light back on, no matter how bad it might be, and you'll have a better look at that, even though it's not daylight. And I'm going to try and focus on something that's cool in there. That light is just not doing any justice to this at all. But that was fun to do. I'm so glad you guys joined me. Even sections of this would be great on leggings or a t-shirt or something. Even though the gold will read as yellow. So I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla in Spring Hill. Out.